At Young Modified, we do more than just modify vehicles. We are committed to educating and enhancing our team's professional skills. This video takes you into our modification workshop to explore the crucial role of pistons in engine cylinders and efficient cooling techniques. Join us to feel the passion and curiosity of our team as they enhance their expertise through hands-on learning. The video shows in detail the role of the piston in the engine and how precise machining of closed water passages improves engine cooling efficiency and performance. Professional explanations and on-site operation demonstrations make complex engineering principles vivid and easy to understand. Our team has a deep understanding of the importance of every technical link through hands-on operations. Learning is not only the acquisition of knowledge, but also a team-building process. In the video, you can see the interactions and discussions between team members, how they work together to solve problems and share experiences. This open and collaborative learning environment is at the heart of our Young Modified culture. Visit us at www.yourpiston.com to learn more about how we make every vehicle modification and technical training the best it can be, continuously learning and innovating. Young Modified is committed to promoting the advancement of the car modification industry and bringing customers a driving experience that exceeds expectations. This introduction aims to provide viewers with a comprehensive understanding, from technical details to team culture, ensuring that each part is well planned to enrich and educate, while also enhancing the brand's appeal and professional image.